Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Hibernates option in Windows 10. For those of you who don't know what Hibernates is, it basically turns off your computer so that it doesn't use battery power, but it keeps all of your apps open. Right now, if I go to my power options in the start menu, I will find that there is no option to hibernate my computer because it is turned off by default. So to turn on this option, you first have to go to the search bar. Then type in command prompts, then click on Run as Administrator. It opened command prompt, so type in the following: power CFG space -H space on. Then press enter. This should have turned on the Hibernate option. Let's double check. Here it is. If you want to turn it off, type in the same command, except that this time, type in off instead of on. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.